ourselves today in the Vienne. We're in the South Vienne. We're very close to the Dessèvres area as well, and also the Charentes. I'm actually at a very traditional longère here, which we're going to go in and look at today. Actually one of the first private properties we are having on the channel, so we're going to have a great little look around this spot. Really impressed, lovely gardens just going around there. We're just entering into February, sun is shining, lovely countryside around this area. This area is a little bit flatter than some of the surrounding areas, but it's just slightly undulating. You get some really nice summers from here as well. And also when you think about location here, we're actually quite close to some good sized towns, but also some bigger towns as well. You've got the advantage of different airports as well. You can be looking at Poitiers, Limoges, La Rochelle as well, even Bordeaux as well if you really needed to. So you're serviced by 4 really good airports. You can get to the coast probably within the hour from here as well. And looking, when I say the coast, looking to head over to La Rochelle. So you've got the advantage there that you can be over to the coast in about an hour. So lovely little spot here, little hamlet as well, a few little houses around just the other side of the property. Property enjoys very much the garden here as well from a south facing point of view, with the sun just setting probably over there in the real summer months, and obviously the sun setting rising from just behind you there as well. So I like this property. It's a really nice property. It's got a lovely homely feel. I've just had a little sneak preview in here as well. As I say, do remember this is the start of February, and if you like what you see now, imagine what it would be like in the summer. I think this house has got a huge amount of potential. I'm going to talk about it as we go around. So let's come on in, let's go and see what we can find. Right, let's take you through the house. Now, this is the thing that struck me. What a super sitting room. This, again, I know I've seen some of the before pictures as well. It was pretty dark beams in here. They've done so much work in this particular place. I would love to be sat on these sofas watching the telly with that gorgeous fire over there. So I think this is a lovely feature in the house. They've done it really well. Nice decoration, obviously nice furniture as well. Got French windows going outside. Obviously we'll look outside in a moment. But nice sitting room in here, really like it. Lovely, nice and warm as you would expect. You can see the radiators as well as the wood burner, so this house is lovely and warm. Coming into the dining room, so this is a dining room. Again, we've got French windows going out. Nice room, again wood burner in here as well. I'm stood in here, it's February, nice and warm, so there's obviously warmth coming off the radiators as well, but I do like this. Nice setup in terms of what they've done. Got the sitting room, and then coming into the dining room, you can obviously play around with it as you wish. So it's really nice from a downstairs perspective. Really nice rooms, lovely feel. Just imagine you're in the winter. You're not coming to France to live here in the winter, but you are here for the summer. But when you are here in the winter, why don't you enjoy it? Why don't you be nice and warm and be able to entertain and cozy up and enjoy a really nice sitting room? So love that. Again, we'll see the stairs and we'll go up to those in a minute. Come through here, just in terms of this reception room, you have got a toilet and a downstairs shower in there as well. Bit of storage underneath the stairs, and then we come into the kitchen. Like the kitchen area here as well, nice and compact. Really nice features in terms of that. Got a lovely hob there as well, and obviously the oven underneath. Come round, swing round. You can see getting the sun now. It is the afternoon, but imagine in the summer that's going to have the sun coming through there as well. You'll capture that, but probably again sat at your table here, sat at your lovely kitchen table, you will get the sun rising in the morning. I can guarantee you that. So you'll just be looking out onto the countryside as the sun rises and touches into your kitchen. We will go through that little door later on and show you a little bit more about what it is. But nice kitchen, really nice, lovely fitted units as well. Again, this property is great. You just walk in, you start living. So you've got very little to do, if anything. It's entirely up to you. So let's go up these stairs now. So we're going up the stairs, really nice, lovely stairs, nice wooden stairs that are there. And we're just coming up to here. Right, let's just go down this corridor. So we're going to go down this corridor, and off this corridor are 3 bedrooms. So we just look at this first one. Nice sized bedroom. Again, the sun will hit this in the morning. Get a little bit of sun. Got storage in here. Nice double bed. You can see the size. Got double bed, storage, etc., etc. I'm sure you can negotiate various things to be left if you were looking to buy this property. But that's one of the rooms. Nice room in there. Let's have a look at the next one. Again, similar size room. Again, nice windows looking out onto the view. You can see you've got a single bed in here as well. So again, just gives you a feel of the size. So you've got double bed, probably a little bit bigger than double bed, and a single bed as well, dressing table, etc. So that's nice. This one, quite a fun room at the moment. It's full of drum kit, but again, got a double bed in there, drum kit, but again, you can feel the size. Nice guest bedroom probably, or a bedroom for children. Got the space, enjoy it. You get windows on this particular room. It's a little bit bigger. You've got windows to both the front and the back. Sun in the morning, most definitely. Sun probably just in the evening as well. And we can just come back down this corridor. Down the corridor, here we come. Again, you can see that there is a toilet in there. It's a separate toilet, which is there as well, so that's great. And then we've got a really nice bathroom. Nice bathroom in here. Super power shower. Sun just coming through this afternoon. And again, really nice sink to there as well. Nice spacious bathroom, all being really nicely finished. We have then another bedroom into here. Bedroom into here, which is really, really nice. Nice room. Just a touch smaller from the width wise, but the length wise, it is bigger. Got views out to the countryside just through there, which is really lovely. And just got a little door, but I'll show you about that door in a moment. But when we look at this, nice room, views out to the countryside, spacious, and there we go. So you've got 4 bedrooms up here, a separate toilet and a big shower. And then we can make our way back downstairs. There's a teddy, there's a little office area, and there's the door. That's what came out of that particular bedroom. So we're going to make our way back down through there, and then we'll go and see other parts of this lovely house. So down the stairs we go. Just imagine yourselves coming down these stairs. There's that front door. We're going to make our way back into the kitchen, and we are going to go through that door. I'm going to show you a little bit more about what this house has actually got. Let's go in and have a look. As I said, typical longère here, so a long building. We look in here, currently storage utility room that we've got in here. It is a big space in here being used, washing machine, etc, etc. You can then come up these stairs. Come up these stairs now. Let's go and investigate a little bit more. So we come up into here. Just be a little bit careful here, but we have got partly boarded out. Again, we've got a space here up into the ceiling. In terms of that, I can just about get under these beams, just about, with a little bit of crouching, but not too much. So actually, if this was, say, a bedroom, you could turn it into a bedroom, be able to get underneath the beams, not a problem. Scrub them up, just do the ceiling, put that all in, board it, insulate it. Nice room up here, so you could turn this into a bedroom if you wanted. And then into there, we will see got a lovely area in here, really like it in here. Now you could turn that into a studio, you could turn that into another bedroom, and where I am now you could be a sitting room. You could split it in 2, have 2 bedrooms. There's a lot of room you can do in there, so you can have a little pan round that room and you can see what is in there. So you could do a lot with that. Again, better ceiling height as well for you to be able to move around in that one. A lot more height. You could even move where the stairs come in, but that's from there. Right, so we can come back down. So this room, you could use it as a bedroom. You could even board it and turn it into a small bedroom, or turn it into a sitting room up here. There's a chimney breast there as well. Potentially you could do that. Lots of potential. Anybody who watches this and knows when I go wandering around, I look at the potential, having done renovations myself. But this particular property you could just move into. You don't have to worry about stuff like that. But if you wanted a business opportunity, it has got it. So as we come down the stairs, we're just going to look at the other room down here as well. These are big rooms that you could do stuff with. So again, here we go. Workshop at the moment, got double doors come into there. With the right planning, you could turn this into something. As I said, you could have a different access point upstairs. I was just showing that big area upstairs as well. You could turn this really easily into a gite. You could even turn it into 2 gites, but you'd be pushing your luck a little bit in terms of that. But you could do that. So you have choices. You could extend the house. You could have a massive kitchen if you wanted. So you could turn the smaller kitchen and come straight through into a big kitchen area if you wanted, if that was your penchant. Or you can just leave it as it is and put all your stuff in here, have an amazing workshop, although there is a workshop across the way. So just think about these different things that are here. There's lots to do. As I say, I really like this. It's got opportunity. So if you are moving to France and you need to have a business, you have the opportunity here to put in your business plan a business. Turn it into a yoga retreat, turn it into a gite, even a chambre d'hôte. Lots to think about. So let's go and have a little look outside. We are now outside, just giving you a little pan round. A few houses in the hamlet that are there, neighbours across the way, little lane just going off that way as well. So very lovely and quiet. And here is the building itself again. So we've just come outside, we're just having a walk down this. As you can see, really nice long building. Got everything that's there. We've had a good look inside, we've had a look in those two barn pieces as well, if you want to call them that. And again, we're just looking to, you've got that workshop area. Again, let's go in there as well. We have a little look inside there. So you've got 2 rooms in there, nice big room. Again, storage, tin roof on it, so up to you what you want to do with it. With the right kind of planning, you could put something else in there or just use it as storage if you're going to do something inside. It's great, you've got a really manageable space. Have to remember that in France. Grass grows, weeds grow really, really quickly. I can tell you that from bitter experience. So let's look at this garden. This garden, I've been dying to have a proper look at. So if we have a look around here, we can pan round. Got the sun over there. You can have chickens. Put some fruit in there as well. I would say there's been a veg patch by the look of it here as well. You can see the remnants of that, and of course orchard. There we go. I'd say we've got a few apples coming in from those. Cut those back and turn them into those. Again, people who know me know I enjoy my bit of gardening as well here in France. We can look up here. Gosh, what have we got further up? We're looking at something. It looks like an old chicken house on wheels. How lovely. If you look in the summer though, you could sit up here with a bit of shade. Without these trees, that would be quite a lot of sun coming through. But just for you to have a look what we've got here, you're coming all the way through here. You've got this lovely area. Again, if you've got kids or you're coming out with family, lovely area. See the countryside around there. You've got lovely fields, surrounding fields. I'd say you've got some nice walks as well. There's some woods just over here as well that you can probably get into down that little chemin, that little lane we just saw. You could come there, but this is lovely. Look at this chicken house. I love it. There's some bulbs coming through here as well. So look at this. That's a lovely old chicken house they've got in there. Look at that. That really is lovely. I really like that. So when we look through here again, I'm just going to have a little sneaky look over this fence. So you've got no chance of anybody building here, have you? Unlike some countries around the world. Just look at that view. Got the forests over there. Bet there's some lovely walks in there. Pan all the way round. That is lovely. Look at that. There's a car just coming over as well. It's a very quiet little road into here. So this is lovely. Look at that. Beginning of February. Isn't that beautiful? Just imagine you would be here. So that is lovely. Come through here. That's an old walnut tree. Old walnut tree here. There we go. It's a lovely garden. It's a lovely manageable garden. Get on your sit-on mower and off you go. But lovely old pine trees here. Definitely some fruit trees here as well. Nice to see some walnut trees. I'd say you get a reasonable crop off those as well. So let's just have a little sneaky look now at a little bit more that this property has got to offer. It's lovely inside. You could move straight in. It's got the opportunity to also do some other work around here. You could have chickens if you want. It is absolutely lovely. See cars back in here, so you've got a little bit more area here. Got a carport. You get 3 cars in there if you want, or you just use it for your mowers and everything else, but it is part of it. That'd be the neighbours next door. You just sit on the edge of theirs, but I mean they don't really see you. Coming from that, we've got this garden. You can see there's so much to this property, but it's nice and compact as well. Really easy. Just get on the sit-on mower, whiz round, keep it under. You've got this piece here as well. You can sit in the shade, get that to work as well from there. You can have something at the top if you wanted. Space for a pool somewhere, maybe a pool just over there. That would be lovely. Have a pool coming into there. We've got firs giving you more privacy, but you've got your areas there. You've got a little area at night here. So you could sit in here. Now you can see the other houses here. Okay, you can hear some dogs on the way as well, barking away, I think in the back of a car. You've got a little quiet area here. This would give you shade of an evening. The sun is most likely to set just over there. Sit out here, nice little terrace area as well. Shutters are done well, the outside's all done well. Little lean-to bit there, which you could sit under, but also gives you a little bit of shelter for those French windows going into the sitting room and the dining room. I like it, I really like it. You can see the sun's just moving around now. It's 3:30 in the afternoon on a February day. So in the summer, that would be really high in the sky. And a bit there. So it's got a lot here. It really has. I like it. I like it. You've just got to think, is it right for you? You've got to think about the location. You've got to put all of those things in. But it, as I keep saying, it ticks loads and loads of boxes. So really hope you've enjoyed that. And let's just come to the end, but just give you one final little scurry round. And then we'll give a little montage of bits in the house as well to finish this one. 244, private sale, get in touch. I hope you've enjoyed that tour around this lovely house. Remember, it's a private sale. It's the first private sale we've actually put onto the channel, so it's great to be able to come and do this. Think of its situation, really situated in a good part of the country. You've got good access routes to towns like Limoges, Poitiers, Niort. You've got different places around. You've got the smaller towns in between as well. This isn't the place where you're just going to walk out of your door and go and get your baguette. You've probably got a 5-minute drive to get that. But that's not what France is about. France is about your property. It's about your garden as well. Love this garden here, south-facing garden. You'd have the sun rising in the morning, setting over there in the evening. Think about the boxes it's going to tick. When you look at those boxes, if you wanted to retire here, absolutely. Your furniture in straight away, you're in. You're up and running. No other costs involved, you're in. No renovations, no nothing. If you wanted to have a business opportunity, then you'd have to spend a bit of money, but look at the different rooms that you've got on here. You could come into these barns that we looked at as well, which are part of the house, attached to the house. You could obviously close off some of the doors if you wanted. You could easily put a gite in there. You'd probably put a 2 or 3 bedroom gite in there, put a kitchen, nice big sitting room as well. You'd have to spend some money to be able to do that. Alternatively, you could put a studio in there. It could be an art studio, crafts, yoga, whatever it wanted to be. You could put that in as well. Just behind me, you've got those buildings as well, very much used for garaging at the moment. Again, that would lend itself to something as well from a business perspective. If you needed to tick those boxes to be able to move over here, that would do it. Second home, you could have it as a second home. You could have it as your holiday home. It would tick those boxes as well. So I think situation wise, ticks boxes. Opportunity wise, ticks boxes. So strongly think about this property if you were looking to retire, looking to start a business, and also looking at it from a second home. Very versatile in terms of that. It's a nice countryside position as well, and it is close to the coast. You could get to La Rochelle, etc., close to different airports. It does have that going for it. Strongly advise you to get in touch with the owners, click on the link, have a look around, look at the lovely hamlet in it as well. It's a really quiet hamlet, nice hamlet, mix English, French as well here as well, so take advantage of that. Hope you've enjoyed looking around this property. Click on the link, find out more, get in touch with the owners and arrange a viewing.